So, let's talk about cybersecurity. It sounds complicated, right? Like something out of a movie where a person in a hoodie types really fast and suddenly has all the secrets. But in reality, it's more like protecting your home. You don't just have one lock on your front door. You have a fence, maybe a dog, an alarm system, and you probably lock your windows. Each one is a layer of defense. If a burglar hops the fence, the dog might start barking. If they get past the dog, the alarm goes off. That's exactly what we call layered defense 101 in the digital world. It's about building multiple walls to keep the bad guys out. Now, where does AI fit into this? AI, or artificial intelligence, is like hiring the smartest, fastest security guard in the world. A guard who never sleeps, never gets bored, and can watch a million things at once. The first layer of our defense is the perimeter. This is the digital fence around your network. It's your first line of defense, designed to keep as many threats out as possible. Traditionally, this layer includes tools like firewalls and web gateways. A classic firewall works like a bouncer at a club with a very specific guest list. It has a set of rules. If your name isn't on the list, you're not getting in. If your data packet isn't on the list, you're not getting in. This works well for known threats, but what about new ones? What about an attacker who tries to look legitimate? That's where AI steps in to upgrade the bouncer. AI makes perimeter defenses smarter. Instead of just following a static list of rules, an AI-powered firewall learns what normal traffic looks like for your specific network. It creates a baseline. So, when a sudden, weird spike of data comes from a country you never do business with, at 3 a.m., the AI doesn't need a rule telling it that's suspicious. It sees the break from the pattern and flags it immediately. This method is called anomaly detection. It's powerful for catching never-before-seen attacks. Another key method is supercharged threat intelligence. AI consumes global feeds in real time to block known threats proactively. Once a threat gets past the perimeter, what's the next thing it goes for? Your identity, your username, your password. Most successful hacks today involve tricking someone into giving up a password or reusing credentials stolen in a previous breach. That's why identity and access control is critical, ensuring only the right people get in. AI goes beyond passwords with behavioral biometrics. It learns how you type, how you move the mouse, even how you hold your phone. It's not just what you type, but how you type it. A hacker with your password won't behave like you. AI spots the difference and raises a silent alarm. Then comes adaptive authentication. Instead of binary access, AI assigns risk scores and asks for extra proof only when needed. If a login comes from Tokyo at 2 a.m. with your password, it triggers MFA, a code or a fingerprint. Smart, not annoying. Enable MFA on every account. Use AI tools to monitor login patterns and profile users, automatically flagging suspicious activity. When an account is high risk, lock it and review immediately. With AI guarding identity, stolen passwords become far less useful. Say an attacker gets past your smart firewall and steals a weak account. They're inside your network. This is not the time to panic. Detection and monitoring act as your inner guard. The security cameras and motion detectors that spot intruders. Modern detection is AI-powered because no team can watch all the data. NTA watches data flows, learns who talks to whom, what they send, and when. If malware scans or a workstation connects to a new server, AI flags the anomaly and points you to the source. EDR is a guard on every device. Laptops, servers, phones. It watches files, processes, and connections in real time. If it sees ransomware behavior, it can stop the process and quarantine the device. Deploy EDR agents on all endpoints. Tune models with clean local data to set accurate baselines and reduce false alarms. Have a clear workflow when alerts fire. AI finds the needle. Humans decide what to do. Fast, clear processes are key. Finding an attack is half the battle. Responding fast is the other half. Attackers move quickly. Ransomware can encrypt a network in minutes. Human investigation takes time, sometimes too much. This is where response and automation comes in. AI acts like a rapid response team, taking action the moment threats are detected. It can isolate an infected device instantly, like slamming a fire door to contain a blaze. SOAR, security orchestration, automation, and response, coordinates your tools using playbooks. Example: email filter flags phishing. SOAR deletes it from inboxes and blocks the malicious site. Start small with common threats like phishing and basic malware. Test automations in a lab to avoid harming critical systems. Keep humans in the loop for complex or ambiguous cases. Automation makes teams faster and more effective, not obsolete. All right, if you're a student, you're probably thinking, how do I actually do this? Let's break it down. For BSc students, build practical foundations. Don't just read about firewalls, build one. Master networking, how data moves, operating systems, and how computers work, the fundamentals. Your best friend is a home lab. You don't need expensive gear. Use free virtualization to create a small network of VMs. Install Linux and Windows. Try open source tools like CMS and IDS. Set up an open source SIEM to collect logs, and try an EDR. Build a simple anomaly detector with Python and scikit-learn. Analyze captured network logs. Recreate parts of real attack case studies. MSc students, shift from using tools to understanding how they think. Study supervised and unsupervised learning for detections. Learn evaluation, precision, recall, F1, ROC, and the trade-offs of false positives and false negatives. Explore adversarial attacks, model robustness, and explainability. Contribute by reducing false positives, publishing studies, or joining research teams. Move from user to builder of AI security. As we've seen, AI is transforming cybersecurity. It's not a magic wand, but a powerful partner in layered defense, guarding the perimeter, verifying identities, detecting intruders, and automating responses. AI adds intelligence and speed, moving us from reactive cleanup to proactive prevention. The reward is a more resilient digital world, but risks remain: alert fatigue, adversarial attacks, data privacy, and over-reliance. Mitigate by keeping humans in the loop, hardening models, protecting training data, and treating AI as an assistant, not a boss. Machine speed plus human wisdom creates real defense. Start small, learn steadily, take courses, read, build your lab, use open source tools, and join communities. Mastery is a marathon. Build knowledge layer by layer. Stay curious, practice safe computing,